Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to do math in Python. This is how you do addition. It's very basic. It's just one number plus another number. If we run this program, you can see nothing actually happens. This is because you haven't told Python to process this. It's done the math, but it doesn't know what to do with the answer, which is why you need to put a print statement around it. And with that print statement, now you've just told Python, print out the answer to this question. And of course, it's in brackets, but no quotation marks. As I said in the previous episode or lesson, you do not need to put quotation marks around numbers or math. Anything math related or just a number, if you want to print out a number, you don't need to put around quotation marks. Only for strings. We'll get on to that next lesson, so a little more on that next lesson or next to next lesson. I'm not really sure. I don't really plan that far, but we're going to get on to that soon. Yes, save that. Yeah, okay, so the answer just popped up there, 30. Which, I mean, you can all say 15 plus 15 is 30. So, now the next one is subtraction. This is the next one. So subtraction. This is like very straightforward. Again, it's just a number minus another number. 200 minus 5. And if I just go there, run this module. Yes, save that. You can say I got 195, but it repeated it 2 times. Not really sure what's up with that. I know why. Wait 1 second. I just need to fix something. Go there. Do that. Yeah. Okay. I'm just running this module again. And yeah, 195. Okay, so the next one after this isn't that simple. It might be simple for some people. It's not as simple the next ones, but it should be quite simple for most people. Anyways, the next one is multiplication, and multiplication is basically a number star another number asterisk. So this is just print 5 times 5. The asterisk is basically multiplication in Python. So this means multiplication. That's the asterisk. You could do so many of these, it wouldn't mean the same thing, but yeah, basically the asterisk means multiplication. And if I run this one, like all the others, okay, save that. 25. As you can see, that's the answer to 5 times 5. Okay, the next one is division. Division is just a dash, and some numbers like 22 divided by 7 isn't that obvious for some. It's 22 divided by 7. That's not that obvious for some people, since the dash, not a lot of people will understand that, and it has to be a dash like this. It does not have to be a backslash. It's a forward slash. And 22 divided by 7. Now a lot of people know that's known as pi, 3.14, blah blah blah, but basically like 3.14. Python gives you an answer to what pi is, but it does not go past a certain. It doesn't go like on forever, because Python just can't get that inside its head. Python just can't process something like that. It will get. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and after this we have something that not a lot of people will know. It is roots and exponents. Exponents are basically a number that many times itself a certain amount of times. This is how you write it. So this would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, like 2 times. Basically, this would be equivalent to, am I writing? Okay, 5 times 5. These two are equivalent. They're the same thing. But if I were to change that to something like 3, that would be the equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5, not 5 times 3. So this is exponents, and you can change any of those numbers, but it's always the first number multiplied by itself the second number amount of times. So like this would be 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So if I were to run this module quickly, I would get the answer of 125. And there are 3 more after this. So let me just get the next. Okay, so the next one I'm just gonna bring up quickly is you can actually, that's all the math operations which you can do in Python, the basic ones. But you can also combine different operations together. You can also combine different operations together. Like right here, there's also something, the order of operations, that's also there in Python. So you have 12 divided by 12, which is 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. The answer for this will be 16. You want to do what's in the, you want to do division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. That's the order that's Python does it. But before all of that, it will do this thing. 5, 2. Okay, why did that happen? This thing will happen before all of these if you combine them somehow together, which would be something like, let me just select all of this, put it in there, and delete this. This may look a little confusing. Basically what happens is it does the exponents, and it does 25, and then that's 1, and you need to have some sort of operation in the middle, so like plus maybe. 25 plus 1, which is 26. 15 plus 26 is, your answer. And if you don't know the answer, you can just run your module, and you'll get your answer, 41.0. And that's basically order of operations. It will always do exponents, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, in that order. Okay, so the last one which I want to tell you is you can actually put your answers into variables. So right now I can make this into print pi, and it'll print out the same answer that we got for the division one. And feel free to go back to the division one and see and check if the answers are exactly correct. Yeah, so the division one and this one are totally the same. Yeah, you can see the answers of the division one and the and this one, totally the same. You could go back and check that right now if you want to, but that's all right now. Bye.